Keep getting unfortunately your desired name is not available when trying to change your name in League? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your summoner's name without facing this error. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, make sure the name follows the rules set by Riot Games. If you're not familiar with the rules, check them from here. Just pause the video and read them carefully. Solution 2. If your name is okay but you're still getting the error, try playing a match first, then change the name, as this error can happen because of inactivity. Solution 3. If that doesn't work either, uninstall League of Legends and reinstall it. To do this, first close Riot Client from the system tray here. Just right-click on the icon and select Exit. Next, open up Settings. Then click on Apps and then on Installed Apps. Scroll down a little and find League of Legends. Now click on this little 3-dot icon and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and League of Legends will be uninstalled from your computer. Now close the tabs and open up Riot Client. Scroll down a little and click on League of Legends. Lastly, click on Install to install the game. Once the installation is done, you should be able to change your name without this error. So, that's how you deal with the unfortunately your desired name is not available problem in League of Legends. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you still have any questions or suggestions about this issue, feel free to leave them below and I'll respond soon. Thanks for watching!